Hi everybody, in this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix share my location not working. In order to fix share my location not working, you just make sure to watch this video right till the end. To fix it, so you want to ensure location service are enabled in your device's settings and within the specific app you're using. Also, you have to verify you have a stable internet connection, especially for apps like Google Maps that rely on it, and if the problem persists on, you could restart your device. First thing, you could actually go ahead and check your permissions or go to settings, right? And here you want to go ahead and locate locations. So here you want to make sure to scroll the button for location, and as per the apps you want to make sure to click on allow all the time. And you could also go with the specific app that you're having issue with by going to see all apps. Once you do it, so you've actually enabled it, this should be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on, what next you could also do is you could also try clearing the cache of the particular application. Now for example, let's say if I'm using Instagram, then I am going to long press onto it and go to app info section and click on storage, and here I'm going to click on clear cache. This is not a reliable solution, but sometimes it might sometimes it might work. You also want to make sure to go to permission and make sure that the locations is enabled. After doing this, you should be able to fix your issue. If the issue still persists on, then it could be with a particular app, or try disabling a VPN. That could also be an essential way. If the issue still persists on, then you have to actually update the device. So for that, you want to go to settings once again, and here you want to go to software update, right? So what you want to do is you simply want to go to system, and then you have this software update. You want to make sure to check whether it needs to be updated or not. If the issue still persists, then you have to actually restart the device, or else try contacting the support, and that should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.